Hey wine lovers, it's World My House here, and today I'm going to show you some of the best Italian red wines you need to try. Italy is known for its winemaking skills, and these 6 wines are a great representation of that. So whether you're a wine lover or just getting into it, check out this video. History of Italian wines. Italy has a long and rich history when it comes to wine. The first evidence of grape growing and winemaking in the country dates back to the late Stone Age. And over the millennia, Italy has become one of the world's most prominent wine-producing regions. Today, Italian wines are enjoyed worldwide and are some of the most popular on the market. Red wines in Italy are typically made from a blend of grapes, and the most common varieties used are the Nebbiolo and Barbera. But many other grape varieties are used in Italian red wines, giving them unique flavors and characteristics. You would feel like you're in a real Italian vineyard if you could try all 6 of these delicious red wines. So without further ado, let's get into the best Italian red wines you need to try. But do you know 90% of the people watching videos do not subscribe to this channel? Well, this is discouraging for us hard-working YouTubers. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. 1. Barolo. Barolo is a red wine that comes from the Piedmont region of Italy. It's made from the Nebbiolo grape variety and is known for its full body and high tannin content. Barolo wines are typically aged for a minimum of 3 years before release. However, they can continue to improve with age for many years. The flavors of Barolo wines are typically very complex, with notes of dark fruits, dried herbs, and spices. What's unique about the Barolo wine is that it's often described as the king of wines and is one of the world's most sought-after wines. If you're looking for an Italian red wine that's sure to impress, Barolo is a great choice. 2. Brunello di Montalcino. If you're looking for a classic Italian red wine, look no further than Brunello di Montalcino. This wine is made from the Sangiovese grape and is one of the most popular and well-known Italian red wines. Brunello di Montalcino is produced in the Tuscany region of Italy and has a reputation for being full-bodied and intense. This wine is perfect for pairing with rich, hearty dishes like beef and lamb because it can stand up to their bold flavors. So the next time you're looking for a special wine to pair with a nice meal, make sure to pick up a bottle of Brunello di Montalcino. Otherwise, you're missing out on an absolute classic experience. 3. Amarone della Valpolicella. Some things are timeless, and Amarone della Valpolicella is definitely one of them. This rich and full-bodied wine is made from a blend of Corvina, Rondinella, and Molinara grapes that are dried before fermentation. This process gives the wine its deep ruby color and complex flavors of dried fruits, spices, and chocolate. Amarone is a wine meant to be enjoyed with food, and it pairs well with hearty dishes like steak, lamb, and game. People new to Amarone often find its flavors intense, but that's part of its charm. If you're looking for an Italian red wine that's truly unique, Amarone della Valpolicella is a must-try. 4. Barbera. Did you know that Barbera is one of Italy's most planted grape varieties? This red wine is made primarily in the northwestern region of Piedmont. It is known for its high acidity and low tannins. Barbera wines are typically fruit-forward with notes of cherries and berries. They're also generally medium-bodied with a good amount of acidity, making them perfect for food pairings. You can enjoy a Barbera wine with a variety of different dishes. Still, it pairs incredibly well with red sauce pasta dishes and grilled meats. Most Barbera wines are best consumed young, so look for bottles from the most recent vintage. 5. Nebbiolo. Imagine you are walking in an Italian vineyard and you see a grape called Nebbiolo. This varietal is one of the most popular in Italy. It makes some of the country's most iconic red wines like Barolo and Barbaresco. Nebbiolo wines are known for their captivating aromas of roses and violets, along with flavors of cherries, plums, and truffles. In addition, these wines are high in tannins and acidity, which makes them perfect for aging. So if you're looking for a wine that will improve with age, then a Nebbiolo-based wine is a great option. 6. Chianti Classico. Last but not least on our list of best Italian red wines is Chianti Classico. This wine is made in the Chianti region of central Tuscany. It is a blend of Sangiovese, Canaiolo, and Trebbiano grapes. Chianti Classico wines are typically dry and medium-bodied with flavors of cherries, plums, and spices. These wines are perfect for pairing with Italian food or red sauce. So there you have it, the best 6 Italian red wines you need to try. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.